Got an interesting email today from one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. He asked me, Neil, I am worried that Amazon is going to copy my product. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what I told him. What's the only reason that Amazon would do that? Money, to make more sales, okay? So that implies that for you to put yourself into a position where Amazon would basically give a shit about your listing, you'd have to be making a truckload of money. And I would suggest to you, that's actually a pretty freaking good problem to have. It's a pretty good, in fact, I would go as far as to say that your goal ought to be to get your business so successful that Amazon, a multi-trillion-dollar company, wants to copy your products. I think that's a pretty good goal to shoot for. And if you got yourself into that situation, hey, you'll be a very, very wealthy person. You'll be a very, very wealthy person. So my advice is don't worry about that. Try everything you can to get yourself into a position where you're making so much money that you get on Amazon's radar and Amazon decides they want to copy your products. I would try everything you can to get yourself into that situation, because the opposite is you're not making much money at all. Amazon really doesn't give a shit about what you're selling. And as you can clearly see, that's anathema to where you actually want to be, okay? So don't worry about it. If you do find yourself in that situation, awesome. You're going to make a shitload of money. You'll be a bazillionaire, okay? Until then, though, I really wouldn't worry about it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and you'll find us that way too. With that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.